Hey guys, this is Naman Sharma and you are watching my channel Cheat Code, a platform where all the best educators join together only for you guys. Today we will discuss about the curriculum of political science. But I have seen that CBSE has introduced a lot of changes this year in political science. So we will discuss each and every change in possible manner that will be helpful in your examination. So guys, let us start with a discussion of political science syllabus. On the left side, you can see old syllabus of 1920 and on the right side, you can see new syllabus of 2021, that is current year. So last year, first chapter was Cold War era. This year, CBSE has changed the name of chapter, that is Cold War era and NAM. So NAM is added, NAM is stand for non-aligned movement. That's why I have mentioned here chapter name change. Second chapter was end of bipolarity. This year there is a major content change in the chapter. That's why I mentioned here major change in content. Third chapter last year was US hegemony. This year CBSE has deleted the chapter. That's why I mentioned here in red color chapter deleted, and some part of that US hegemony is added to the second chapter. So end of bipolarity has what I have written major content change. The chapter which is deleted by the CBSE, that is US hegemony, some part is added to the end of bipolarity second chapter. Next chapter was alternative center of power. This year the name of the chapter is changed to new center of power, means alternative change to new. There is a little bit change in the name of the chapter. Next chapter was contemporary South Asia. There is a little bit change in the name of the chapter. This year the name changed to South Asia and the contemporary world. Next chapter was international organization. Look guys, last year when we have studied about the international organization, the main focus was on United Nations. So CBSE has changed the name of international organization to United Nations and its organization. Major focus was on United Nations. So I have mentioned here chapter name changed. Next, if we talk about the last three chapters, security in the contemporary world, environment and natural resources, and globalization. These all three remain same. There is no content change, there is no name of the chapter change, nothing change, everything is same in all the three chapters, last three chapters, everything is same. So this is all about the first book, that is part 1 of Indian politics, means political science. Now let us focus on second book. On the left side you can see the old syllabus of 1920 and this is the new syllabus, that is 2021. The first chapter was challenge of nation building. This year CBSE has added new content, that's why I have written here new content added. Next chapter was era of one party dominance. This year the CBSE has removed this chapter from NCERT book, that's why I have written here chapter deleted. Next chapter was politics of planned development. There is a little bit change in the name of the chapter from politics of planned development to planning and development. So I have mentioned here chapter name changed. Next chapter was India external relation. This chapter is also changed. Name of the chapter is changed from India internal external relation to Indian foreign policy. That's why I have written here chapter name changed. Next chapter was challenge to Congress system. There is a change in chapter name, parties and party system in India. Some content has been changed in this chapter also. So from challenge to Congress system to parties and party system in India, chapter name and content is changed. Next chapter was crisis of democratic order. This chapter is also changed from crisis to democratic order to democratic resurgence. Chapter name change and few content added. Here CBSE has added few content in this chapter, so please take care of this guys. Next chapter was rise of popular movement. From rise of popular movement to social and social movement in India. There is a change in name of the chapter, so I have mentioned here chapter name changed. Next chapter was regional aspiration. So this chapter remains same this year. There is no name of the chapter, there is neither chapter name changed nor the content has been changed. It is same as before. Next is recent development in Indian politics. The name of the chapter changed from recent development in Indian politics to Indian politics trend and development. Here I have mentioned chapter name change. So guys, please keep in your mind that there are various change in chapters, and one more change is there. Last year we have 18 chapter, this year we have 16 chapter. Reason being 2 chapter has been removed by the CBSE. So all the best to you guys.
So guys, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular update regarding your syllabus. Jai Hind.